In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Gemini AI on Google Docs so you can write faster. Start by opening Google Docs in your browser and signing into your Google account. You can open a new document or an existing one. Either works. Once your document is open, look toward the top of the screen. You should see the Gemini icon near the upper right area of the toolbar. It may appear as a sparkle-style icon or labeled as Gemini. Click that icon to open the Gemini panel inside Docs. If you're seeing a prompt about access or a trial, that's normal. Gemini features in Google Docs typically require an eligible paid plan. Follow the on-screen instructions if you choose to subscribe. Once your access is active, the Gemini panel will be ready to use. Now, in the Gemini panel, you'll find a prompt box. This is where the speed boost really begins. Type exactly what you want help with. Be clear and specific. For example, you might ask for a friendly introduction paragraph for a report, an outline for a blog post, or a concise summary of the text you've already written. Include details like tone, audience, and length to guide the result. When you're ready, generate the content, and Gemini will draft it for you right inside Docs. Review what it creates and make quick adjustments. If the result is close but not perfect, refine your prompt. You can ask for a more professional tone, a shorter version, or additional examples. When you're happy, insert the text into your document and continue editing as you normally would. Gemini can also help you continue a paragraph, rephrase a sentence for clarity, or expand bullet notes into full paragraphs. Great tricks for moving faster without losing your voice. A quick tip: give context. Mention your goal and the audience, like write a concise email update for stakeholders or create a friendly product description for first-time users. The clearer your prompt, the better the output. And remember to keep private information out of your prompts. If you don't see the Gemini icon at the top, make sure you're signed in with the correct account, refresh the page, and confirm that your plan includes Gemini features. Availability can vary by region and subscription. That's it. Open Google Docs, click the Gemini icon, write your prompt, and let Gemini help you draft, refine, and ship your writing faster. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded writing workflow.